Two hobbies I have is cooking and baking and taking photos. I have been baking and cooking since I was 6 years old. My grandma taught me at a very young age how to do these things. I also love taking pictures of nature, and when I go to travel, I like to take pictures of where I travel to. My accomplishments. I graduated at St. Cloud High School in 2020. I started my college journey at Valencia College, where I plan to receive my AA in business. I also received a full-time job at Mercury, being an assembler one for the company. New student experience. With this class, I have learned so much with what I need to know to graduate. I hope I continue to learn the little life hacks for Valencia, what other resources can help me, and how to line out my college career. I do recommend this class as people take it first as a freshman. Online learning has been wonderful for me. I am more of an online learner instead of being in a class setting. My work life has been really difficult for me, especially since I've been trying to work full-time and attend school. Online can be very beneficial for students like me who have a hectic schedule.